My stock portfolio 2022. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the 16 different positions that I have currently in my stock portfolio of 2022. If you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now I have been basically investing in the stock market since about May 2020. And so I'm going to show you guys in this video my stock portfolio so far in 2022. I currently have 16 positions right now. And if I count the position with Dogecoin, that's 17. So there's 16 positions, and I'm going to show you guys my current portfolio, the value of my portfolio. I'm going to show you where I am in regards to all the 16 stocks that I've invested. And some of these I'm calling stocks, but there's ETFs in there as well. And so I'm going to show you guys where I am currently and what my portfolio looks like. So once again, in this video, I'm going to be talking about my stock portfolio 2022. Okay, so right now you guys have on the screen my current stock portfolio, and this is live. It's actually after hours in the market right now. So as you can see, my current portfolio is worth $262,000. Today alone, my portfolio went up $10,000. Of course, that's always a beautiful thing. And speaking of a beautiful thing, is the fact that this channel is entitled My Investment Journey. I share with you guys my journey, right? So not only do I share the good times, I also share the bad times. So right here, once again, $262,000 is my current portfolio, and the market is currently still open. It's after hours, and so you'll see this number fluctuating, okay, right now. But that's basically where it sits right now as of today. If I click on the 1W, you can kind of see what's happened in my portfolio the last week. It's up $1,500. The last month, it's up substantially $44,000 the last month. The last 3 months, it is currently up $26,000. The last year, it is up $8,000. And then all time, since I started investing on Robinhood, I'm currently up $2,300, which it's actually more than that, but we'll just say $2,300. So I have invested in the stock market since May of 2020, $255,600.30. That's how much money I have invested. Underneath that, you see negative $4,399. That's because I started investing back in 2016, 2017, and lost about $4,300, and I sold everything, and nothing happened from June 2017 until May 2020. Okay, so once again, my current portfolio right now is valued at $262,000. So I'm basically up since May. I'm basically up like $7,000. Okay, just for easy math. Okay, so what I'm going to do is on the right hand side, you can see all the positions that I have, and I have them all here. I opened them in a separate tab, so I'll be going through and just kind of sharing with you guys where I am currently in my stock portfolio 2022. So the first one up is going to be Prospect Capital. This is a monthly dividend paying REIT. I'm very excited about this one. My average cost is $7.26. Right now it's trading for $8.02. Overall, I'm up 10%, which is I'm up $1,213. Okay, so that's Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. The next one is another REIT. It's AGNC Investment. My average cost per share is $14.80. My overall return is I'm down 15%, which is negative $475, and right now AGNC Investment is trading for $12.57. This one does pay dividends monthly as well. Not a bad one to get into. The next one up is Armor Residential REIT. This is my most love-hate relationship, mostly hate relationship. This is another REIT, and of course they pay monthly dividends as well. This one's a little bit more risky. A lot of people, would say, oh, well, the dividend yield is so high, can they maintain it, so on and so forth. The purpose of this channel is not for me to be a guru and tell you what you should be investing your money in. It's just to share with you guys what's possible and what can happen in your stock portfolio. And you should consider investing. If you want to be more on the safe side, you can always invest in an ETF. There are a lot of good ETFs out there that you can invest. For example, the total stock market, you can invest in that one. VTI is one of the ticker symbols for the entire stock, for the total stock market. You can invest in that one, and that's a Vanguard ETF, and it's comprised of over 3,000 companies. That's a little safer if you want to kind of get started. Okay, so with ARMOR Residential REIT, my average cost per share is $10.82. Currently, my total return is I'm down 28%, which is negative $3,600. Okay. The cool thing about this one is when I get the dividend payments, Robinhood go ahead and grabs some more shares for me. So eventually, my average cost is going to be coming down if it continues to trade less than what my average cost is, which once again is $10.82. So when I get a dividend payment, they're going to grab some more shares, and if it's less than $10.82, it's going to bring my average cost down every single month, which is pretty cool. And I will be improving or increasing my dividend payment. All right, the next one up is Starwood Property Trust. This one pays dividends quarterly, ticker symbol STWD. My average cost per share is $19.37. My overall return, I'm up 23%, which is $1,422. Obviously, I'm happy about this one. And the next one up is Gladstone Capital. This one pays dividends monthly as well. My average cost per share is $10.83. My overall return is I'm down negative 1.78%, which is $211. This is a pretty solid one as far as a monthly paying REIT is concerned. I really like Gladstone Capital quite a bit. The next one up is Kinder Morgan, ticker symbol KMI. My average cost per share is $14.69. My overall return is I'm up 23%, which is $395 because I don't have that many shares. I like this one quite a bit, and once again, this one pays quarterly. The next one up is Exxon Mobil. This one I'm very, very happy with. My average cost per share is $45.47. The ticker symbol for Exxon Mobil is XOM. My overall return, I'm up a little bit over 100%. So that is, I'm up currently $5,091.46. This one makes me very happy because obviously I'm up 100%. So this is definitely a win. And of course, a lot of you guys are familiar with Exxon Mobil. They've been around for a minute. Okay. The next one up is Huntington Bank. This one pays dividends quarterly. My average cost per share right now is $12.41. My total return is I'm up 12%, which happens to be $165. Ticker symbol for Huntington Bank, HBAN, and they pay dividends quarterly. I was going to say monthly. They pay dividends quarterly. The next one up is Stag Industrial. This is a pretty solid one. This one pays dividends monthly. My average cost per share is $40.26. This would be a great time for me to grab more shares. Of course, I'm taking my time with continue to pour money into the market. So what I will end up doing is I'll probably invest like $1,000 a month and grab some shares of the stock that I feel kind of deserves my attention at the moment. So my overall return with Stag Industrial is negative 16%, which happens to be I'm down $1,704. Ticker symbol for Stag is STAG. Okay, the next one up is Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF. This is an ETF from Vanguard. My average cost per share is $90.68. My overall return is I'm up 18.50%, which is $199.37. So this is an ETF, and this particular ETF focuses on high yield dividend payments. Okay, so if I scroll down here, I can show you guys that this one is comprised of 2,006 different companies. 2,006 different companies. And what's cool about these ETFs is it kind of shows you the breakdown right here as far as the different sectors: financial services, healthcare, consumer defense, industrial, energy, technology. You get the drift, and then they tell you the top 10 holdings, which I think is pretty cool. In a way, this is providing some decent insight and answers, because these companies are companies that have paid dividends for a long time, and you could invest individually with these companies if you so choose, or if you're lazy like me, you could just get the ETF, which this one is the Vanguard High Yield Dividend ETF, ticker symbol VYM. So the top 10 companies are companies that the majority of us know. You got Johnson & Johnson, Exxon Mobil, Procter & Gamble, JP Morgan Chase, Pfizer, Chevron, Home Depot, Eli Lilly, AbbVie, and Coca-Cola. Most of those companies are companies that you know. You know at least 7 out of the 10, if not all 10, okay? The next one up is Apple. I'm very happy with this. This is my biggest holding. This is basically 50% of my portfolio. Obviously, the gurus and the pros out there will say that's suicide, that's too much of your portfolio. Once again, I'm not here to tell you what you should do with your money. You've worked hard for your money, and you should decide what you do in regards to investing. So as you can see right now, my average cost is $149.57. Apple is trading for $168.90. Today was a very good day. It went up $4.32, and since it's after hours, it's down 34 cents. My overall return with Apple right now is I'm up 12%, which happens to be $24,522. Now, I actually purchased a lot of shares with Apple recently using margin investing on Robinhood. So if you have like $10,000, the easy example in regards to what margin investing is, if you have $10,000 invested currently, you can possibly get up to another $10,000 in margin investing, and you can choose to invest that however you'd like. Now, of course, there's risks that come along with that, and I'm not going to get into the details of that, but I have a huge position with Apple because I invested I invested $110,000 with regards to margin investing. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So I have a purchase here on February the 11th for $110,000, and that was using margin investing. Okay, so I feel really confident about Apple, and so that's why I did that. The next one up is Tesla. Tesla, my average cost per share is $493.39, and my total return is I'm up 78%, which is $27,000. Right now, Tesla is trading for $880. Okay. The next one up is another Vanguard ETF. This one is VGT. That's the ticker symbol. This is Vanguard Information Technology ETF. My average cost per share is $409.84. And my total return is I'm down 6.55%, which is negative $2,000. If I scroll down here, I can show you guys that there are currently 2,004 different companies in this particular ETF. And here are the top 10 companies. Most of these you know. You have Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Visa, MasterCard, Broadcom, Cisco, Accenture, Adobe, and Salesforce. Now, out of those names, you probably will know at least 6 of them, okay? And 6 of those are definitely companies that you're familiar with and should feel comfortable investing. And if you don't want to invest in the individual company, you could always invest in this ETF with Vanguard. Once again, the ticker symbol is VGT. The next one up is another Vanguard ETF, ticker symbol VUG, and it says this is the Vanguard Growth ETF. My average cost per share, $283.48. My total return, I'm down 7.98%, which is negative $1,356. Just to show you guys the top 10 holdings here. In this one, the same companies, not same companies, but companies that you should be familiar with. All of these for the most part. You have Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. Alphabet Class A is Google. Tesla. Alphabet Class C is Google again. Meta Platforms is Facebook. Nvidia is a video graphics company or software company. Then Visa and Home Depot. Okay, so how these ETFs work is it will basically split your money across the different sectors. So if you invested $100, $41 would go, 41% would go towards the technology space, $17 would go towards the consumer space, $13 would go towards the communication, so on and so forth. This particular holding currently has 2,004 different companies. Okay, the next one up is Lucid Motor. This position I have with Robinhood is through using margin investing again. So this entire position is me using my margin investment portion with Robinhood. My average cost per share is $23.65. My overall return, I am down 23%, which is negative $10,000. And right now, Lucid Group is trading for $18.17. This is pretty much an EV company like Tesla, okay, but it's in the more beginning stages, of course. Okay, the next one up is MFA Financial. This one does pay dividends quarterly. Currently, my average cost per share is $15.37. My total return is negative 21%, which is negative $935. Right now, MFA Financial is trading for $12.09. I think this is a decent one. Okay, and then of course I have my position here with Dogecoin. Let's see, my average cost is basically 25 cents. Dogecoin right now is trading for 7 cents. My overall return, I'm down 72%, which is negative $1,222. Okay, so that's currently where my portfolio sits. Since the start of this video, my portfolio was around $262,000, 311, and now it's $262,330. Of course, it's fluctuating because the market's still open. It's after hours, but there's still trading going on. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys currently, once again, my stock portfolio 2022. I'm not a guru. I'll never pretend to be. I will just always show and share with you guys my journey and try to be as transparent as possible. As you can see, today was a really, really good day, but it's not like I'm selling my portfolio right now, so I'm not really profiting $10,000, right? I'm gonna hold tight on some of these, most of these that I have currently right now, and that's kind of the whole purpose. You guys will be here with me to go along on the journey with me. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Love to have you as a subscriber, and give the video a thumbs up. It helps tremendously. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.